dead or alive. Lal Bihari Mritak is a unique man from UP with a peculiar story. Dead in government records for 18 years, Lal Bihari is celebrating his own 50th death anniversary on 30th July this year. The catch? He is alive. In 1976, the Azamgarh resident was declared dead on revenue records allegedly by his own family. The issue, of course, was familial land and property disputes. For 18 long years, Lal Bihari fought tooth and nail to get his name restored. In the meantime, he assumed the title Mritak, which means dead, and devised weird ways to protest his bureaucratic death. So he entered the UP State Assembly shouting slogans and even fought elections against political heavyweights Rajiv Gandhi and VP Singh. He unsuccessfully applied for widow pension for his wife and has even founded a trust for other dead people like him. Bollywood also recognized his fight, and director Satish Kaushik made a film, Kagas, based on his life. And you know who starred in the film? Pankaj Tripathi. In 1994, his name did get restored on revenue records, and he was able to get other documents to prove he lives, like the Aadhaar card, the passport, but every document has the title Mritak written on it. But now he claims his original case file from the government department has allegedly gone missing. Lal Bihari is 72 now, but his struggles are yet to end. Regularly mocked out as Kankal, Chalti Phirti Lash, to mock the system yet again, he is going to establish a pillar with a skeleton in his name in Azamgarh and really celebrate his 50th Jeevit Mritak Divas, his 50th Dead Alive anniversary. And his wife, she is going to pay tribute to this soul who continues his fight to live. But what do you think about this man who wants to celebrate his death anniversary and continues to do so? Do let me know.
हम तो चलती फिरती लाश हैं, लेकिन यहाँ समाज हमको न्याय नहीं देता है और यहाँ की व्यवस्था न्याय नहीं दे रही है, इसलिए हम बहुत दुखी हैं। और हम सभी समस्त जनता से निवेदन प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं कि अपने अधिकारों के लिए आप जागरूक हो जाइए।